The search option of Easy Property Dealer app help us to find anything. As we click on the search button, we can search for any kind of properties from here. We can type the name of any location in the search bar, can write area size like 5 marlas. As soon as we start typing, the property search is filtered and start coming to the top. The search field combined with our filter option give us more power. For example, if I click on the filter button, I can find exactly any type of property from here. For example, if I want to see that we have a property of 5 marla for sale, select Garden Town from the select location below. I find a 5 marla property inside Garden Town, and here I can also use the search option with the filters. I mean, here if I write ABC, show me property with ABC contact, searching for ABC contact name. If I write XYZ, it externally combines this filter with my search term to remove this property. If we look at it in other words, the property for sale which is of 5 marla sale property located in Garden Town, show me now. In the search here, I tell that I want a house, so it will show me all houses. I would like a residential plot already in our search. It will show us that how we can further filter it out. You can search for all, search for by, search for tenants. So any type of search can easily be find out. We can also apply it with the apply button. By the way, this filter apply automatically. As we change here, the search filter is being applied to the properties behind on the fly. To clear all the filters, click on the clear and go back and remove these lines from the search field. We can also access this search by going inside the properties and re-accessing this search icon. In addition to searching properties, we can also search contacts. We can search the contact by their name. You can search their phone number. Whatever the phone number, whatever the name you have in mind, just type in the search. You will get results at the top. You can also search your deals like this as well. As you type property information in the property search, you can also write information like that here. Go to the location to check out property at a glance, and property of that location you want to check, click on this location like Garden Town. All its property will come out here. Similarly, if I have to check the XYZ location, I will see all the properties inside XYZ location. We also have numbers on the properties tab which give us an idea of how many properties we currently have. If you go to for sale, the number regarding for sale will come to the top here. This is how we can search for notes. If you have any kind of record, it is very easy for you to find it in Easy Property Dealer app.